In this video, I'm going to show you another way how you can send your attachments, not as attachments, but as links. I'm Keijzers and I help businesses with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video, you will know everything you need to know about this. And talking about this, if you are interested to stay up to date, you can subscribe to my newsletter. You will find the link below in the YouTube video and or in the comment section, so to say. But let's first start. Yes, what we are used to do, or at least most people. I had a question and I posted it on LinkedIn, and I saw that technical people who work daily with Microsoft 365 and are top-notch, they don't send attachments anymore. What do I mean with attachments? Well, we have Outlook, and if I click on new email, they say attach file, and then they say browse this computer, or they go like this and they just say, okay, attach this, and then they don't do this one, but they do this one. And what happens is it's now 78 KB, but most of the time those files are like 1 MB to 10 MB, and then they start sending them around. Well, if you send them around, then everybody gets a copy of it. So all mailboxes grow, and eventually your file is maybe shared over 10 users. Then you already have, with 10 MB, you already have 100 MB in use in your mailbox, which is a bit... why? So that's why I'm going to show you how I would do it and how the other people I interviewed or asked questions do it. And first let me remove this one. So what we are going to do, and this is something that is when your file is not uploaded and not in SharePoint, because that's really important. Later on I will show you the other way. So now we're just going to pick up, and instead of doing it attach file, we are going to upload and share. What happens is that the file is going to be uploaded to OneDrive, and if I click on this, you can see anyone with this link can edit. That's a default behavior in my tenant. So if you don't have this, it could be that only people in your organization, which is the more secure one. But for now, this is the one we are using. But let's just do this, because what happens is most of the time it's like this. So only people who have the link in my organization can edit. That's the default of most organizations. Now in this case, I'm going to add a poll at KbWorks demos, and yes, and now if I would send it, he cannot edit the document. So what do we need to do? We click on this link, and then we get this menu. And if we click on the menu, we get the options we have in the sharing. And in this case, I can do all because they already have access. But I can say, for example, receipts of this message. And what happens then is that if I send it, all recipients of this message will get this file, or at least a link to the file, which means they can edit in the file as it's in edit mode. And you don't have to send around all the messages all the time. You can also say, okay, can review or view. That's of course something that if it applies different, then you can do that. So I'm just going to say go and view, and I'm going to say demo document, and this is still on my OneDrive. So when I have sent this, let's just go to the OneDrive here, and in the OneDrive you will go to My Files, and in My Files you have a folder called Attachments. In Dutch it's called bijlage, for the Dutch people. And if I click on there, you will see that my document is uploaded there and it's shared from my OneDrive. Now, this is an easy way if you have a personal document you want to share and get some input before you put it on SharePoint. But most of the time, the files are already stored in SharePoint. So I can close this one, go back to my other environment, and now we can go to, for example, teams.microsoft.com. Let's go here as well to Servco site. All right, and if you like this video so far, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what you think, if you can have this or not. But let's continue. So I have here a demo file as well in a SharePoint site, which is used as well a lot. So I can click on the file and click on copy a link. And as you can see, people in your organization with the link can edit. That's the default. So I'm going to create a new mail because I cannot drag and drop my SharePoint files in this Outlook, but I can use the link. So I'm going to do again, KbWorks, let's say demo 2, and add this link. What happens is, yes, everybody in this tenant can edit, but I don't want that. I want to have the recipients be able to edit. So, or to view. Let's make it to view, which is a more secure setting. So I'm gonna apply, and if I send it now, and we go to the Paul at KbWorks, first of all, we see here the document that Paul shared, so I can open it. That was the first document, which is on my OneDrive. You can also tell that on the, well, you cannot actually tell that, I see, because I shared it from this account. But basically that's what's happening. Let's see what happens. I got my demo 2. And this is on the SharePoint side, so I can try and open it. I have to enter my email, and I'm going to click next. Now it verifies the email if I'm truly Paul at KbWorks Demos, and then it lets me in. And in this case, it's a view-only document, so I have this view-only. Now this is very easy to use and secure, but sometimes you have a different situation. And with a different situation, I mean that I go to my teams, I have a file, and this team has an internal only label, but it also has a label on the document. And let's just go to the details, and here you will see that the label sensitivity is NDA content, which means it may not be shared external. So if I want to share this, I can still try to do that. So I copy the link. People in your organization, again, that's the same. Let's copy. And let's email again, and let's put secret sauce demo, and let's put the URL there. All right, now it still says all right, that's fine. Now we are going to change this to recipients, and I even give them edit rights for the time being. So I'm going to send it, just the easy send, and I'm happy because it's shared and everybody can watch my my secret sauce. So here we go. I see I get an email message. Yes, it works. It works. Let's try to see what's the secret sauce. So here we go. And yes, we don't have access because it's rights management. So this is something that can happen. It depends on how your organization is structured. If you have the label set up, if you have your container set up, that all depends on labeling. But by default, you saw the first item is from my OneDrive, which basically everybody should be able to do. The second one is from SharePoint. Depending on the settings of your organization, you can share it or not with if they have labeling. So if they don't have labeling, you can still share it. And last but not least, the sensitivity label on one item. So I hope you liked it, and if you like it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.